Iyo mo na maligo eh. Ay,
Wala bang campaign?
ay, okay.
Wait lang, guys.
Ay, sino ka? Sino?
Ayoko na nga sumali sa ganito.
Dito siya makita masyado. Lagi ko takot. Hindi ko naman ninag.
Hindi na matigas ulo mo. Hindi na matigas ulo. Ay!
Thank
Ay!
you. Thank you,
Galit mo
guys. Boy, ilan ang kota?
Galit ako. 200 din na ko eh.
200.
Pag matigas ulo ha, kumukulit ka na naman. Kumukulit ka na naman. Ha?
Long time.
Kumukulit ka na naman. Ha? Kumukulit ka na naman.
Hi, guys! Hello, guys! Welcome back to me. Tagal kong nawala dito.
Ha?
Pwede siyang sticker, lalai.
Ayaw, dinabak.
Yes. Thank you, Kasdi May. Sige, ala naman 200k na gold na sticker, kaya 100k muna. Come on.
Bago pa rin pala nakapisa.
Thank you. Thank you, Patidel. Thank you, Fabia. Kubo. Thank you. May papabot lang ako. Alika. Paabot ako nun. Yung Camilosan. Camilosan. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Pengs. Thank you, Puting. Say hi to them. Hello, people. I'm Yubu. And nice to meet you all. I am so makulit, but I'm lovable. I'm a lover boy. Also a baby boy. Nice to meet you all. Sinabi ako ikaw eh. Oh, for the drop tayo ah. Pantay niyo ako sa asawa ko. Hindi niyo ba to na-miss? Buwali ka dito nga. I can't work without you.
Kaya sa likod niya.
Thank you, si Jen. Ang sakit ng aking dila. Thank you. Kai Wiscott. Just woke up. Close your eyes. Give me your hand. Close again.
You give your hand, close me up.
Do you long with me? Do you feel the need? Am I only dressing?
We keep tapping.
Magkantahan tayo, guys. Kasi guguluhin natin yung mundo ng
Call
asawa.
my name. and
Call
I'll be your
Manel.
friend.
She
Call
is
Manel.
your friend. Na-miss namin kanta. Kantahan na.
Do you feel
You're the tao.
same?
I'll dagat.
And my only dreaming is this one down eternal.
Rain, say my name. Sunshine through the rains and all. Nalayasan yung earphone. Hello, Zijen. Earphone. Bakit may
Guys,
laway
to-
dito? Suka ba to?
Ewan ko dyan.
Pinatulong may laway ni Ubo, ano?
Ba't ako? Ibuwag mo yan.
Yung ano, wala.
Wala, nandiyan.
Yung mga wire. Ay, dito ang earphone.
Do
Hindi,
you
ito eh. Yung
feel
isa,
the
yung bago,
same?
yung katulad ng sa'yo.
Bago?
And my
Yes.
only dreaming if
Yung no.
Let's go, guys. Let's drop. Come on, everyone, everybody. Oh. Me and
Doon sa taas.
Oh my God. Oh. Ay.
Nandiyan.
Hindi ko makita.
Ba't ka mag-airpods?
Hindi, yung sound card magkakanta.
Magkaka-soundcard ka.
Magkakantahan tayo, guys! Try natin tong sound card kasi binili to sa akin ng asawa ko. And hindi ko pa nagamit. Thank you, siya!
Si Yuri?
Yuri!
Ano ka-boyfriend to?
Ay, init lang din.
Maski kalarap lang sa amin.
Sa drawer, wala. Ubo, no. Ubo, no. I don't want to lose this feeling. So, napunta kaya yun, Lulay? Pati yung mga, yung connector ko kasi nandun eh.
Hoy!
Yuri, sa Tuesday di ka na magsasana all.
Long and you was gone. The night you was gone. Wala dyan, nalinis na yun.
Wait.
Nasa paper bag lang yun, alam ko. Your AIT.
Dito.
Dito kaya sa kabila. Panalipat yun. Wala. Thank you!
Wala. Dito pa. Dito.
Kasi kaya, may mga kulay-pula yun eh.
Oo.
Doon pa kaya sa ibang paper bag. Doon.
Yan, dami.
Hello, Dark Star!
Wala rin. Wait. Yung isang box mo kaya. Saan
Wala doon sa mga, dito sa mga buhok. Ang buhok. Baka nalusot-lusot lang dyan. Sa paper bag. Thank you guys for dropping! 10K na. Come on. Thank you, Kudo.
Alam mo, legit. Sumakit talaga yung chan ko.
Kahit ako eh.
Saan kayo sumakit ang chan? Sa ano?
Seafood siguro.
Alam mo yan, may something na kumukulo.
Thank you,
Hindi sa
Juvenile.
kabag eh. Ako na mag-ano pa naman ako. Babiyahe pa naman
Pero
ako.
sumama, mahirap ganyan.
Ay, baka Lola yung nandun.
nga sila, San Pablo na sila eh.
Oo, edi sabi mo, hindi ka makakaano.
Lala, may gamot, anong gamot sa tiyan?
Ay, wala.
Tamicol.
Hindi, ano yan, Dietabs.
Sa pagtatay yun eh.
Eh, parang ganun nga yung feeling ko. Nakulungin siya.
Sabi mo, hindi ano.
Hindi siya masakit, guys, kumukulungin siya ko.
Ano ba yung hinangat-ngat mo?
Kulay
Lola, iyo?
Kulay pula na wire.
Ay, hinangat-ngat niya.
Ibuprofen, saan yung ibuprofen? Para saan?
Wala dito, Lola eh.
Hinat-ngat na niya yung ano.
Wala naman akong kailangan doon. May isa lang akong kailangan doon.
Ako ang kailangan mo.
Meron kayang pula siya na, no?
Mga pula na wire. Parang ganito yung mga itsura niya. Ganito, pero kulay red.
Siguro, parang laging nanganganak.
Yan. Lahat ng mga to.
Wala, yan lang.
Yan.
Ano tayo dito?
Pili ko na halo dito eh. Hindi ko na yung mga wire eh.
Ayun,
Saan ko lang nilalagay. Wala dito na siya.
wala pa.
Give me a chance. Do you understand? Do you feel? Uy!
Ay. Yuri.
Thank you, just for Casby. Thank you.
Wala.
Oh.
Saan tayo?
Lobo.
Ay!
Hi, Mac. Miss din.
Kasama yung hit ko na
Si
binili.
Yuri parang ano.
Yure!
Tulong na naman kita, Yuri.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam.
Nag-click
Your
tayo
Honor.
dito, di ba?
Wala dito. Parang natin talaga sila nakita.
Yuri, wag mo nga Lola, iyo, nangangat nga to.
Ito talaga. Baba dyan, baba. Baba dyan, baba. Yan ka na naman. Ito na, Tigyan na.
Your Honor, hindi ko po
Yan?
alam. Your Honor,
Di ba? Akin na.
I just wanna love you forevermore.
Si Yugo talaga. Si Ririto talaga. Ay! Papaling na kita. Sorry. Yugo. Paano Yugo? Paano?
Iamin na yung pouch dyan na black. Your Honor. Hindi yan. Wallet yan. Eh, yung malaking ganyan.
Ano ka dito? Wala.
Meron, kakalabas ko lang.
Ouch. Nila. Yun.
Ano ganyan, basta mahanap mo. Natabunan lang siguro.
Ano?
Diyan lang. Obo!
Ito.
Para yan na lang paglalagyan. Your Honor. Hindi ko po alam. You stop crying, you little child!
Tapos dito mga hindi. Ano dito?
Yes.
Your Honor. Yuri! Hi!
Your Honor.
Pangit yung pen na ganito. Hindi ko po alam. Yubo, teka lang, nag-work eh.
Talaga. Ay. Yung may ginagawa, doon kayo nag-disturbo ah. Nakapalong ka na naman. Nagulo ah.
My coffee like
Nagulo.
Won't you sing for me?
Sige, hanap ka dyan by Primate Yuri. Ako yung makakagat mo ha.
Bago ang iyong mic.
Yung bangs ko talaga panira.
Hello? Wait lang ah, di pa marinig. Hello? 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 Mic test, mic test, mic test. Mic test. Hello? Mic. Mic. Hello? Mic test. Drop tayo, guys. Drop.
Yabaw.
Mic test. Mic. Hello? Mic test. Mic. Ba't ganun? Hello? Hello,
baby. Solo.
Hello?
Yan na ito.
Hello?
Sabi mo.
Hello?
Hello, mic test. 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 Test.
Luwag mo, pato na naman.
I gotta take what's giving. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Pakinggan mo nga, parang ano kasi. Dito ano. Hello, 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 hello. Iba. Parang may ano, basta hindi siya klaro. Dito. Mic test, mic test. Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. Hindi maganda. Hindi talaga. Uy, maganda talaga. Hindi. Sige, salita. Mic test. Okay, parang hindi mo tanong mo sa kanila kung okay yung music. Hindi pwede. Kailangan okay sa parinig mo. Mic test, mic test.
Naku,
Mic test, mic. Mic.
Sino ka talaga?
Mic test. Ano yun? Ngaw. Mic test, mic test. Mic test, mic test, mic test. Hello, hello, hello. Mic test, mic test.
Uy! Halika.
Mic test, sound check, mic. Hello? Wait lang, inaayos ko. Ngayon ko lang ito napakailaman eh. Bakit sabi? Hello, mic test. Hello. Parang pumuputol-putol kasi. Hindi nga. Yubo. Two old friends. Bakit? Ay? Yubo! Lola iyo. Nangangat Aray.
Basta. Buka. Trabaho si mami.
Okay.
Palo na kita. Sige, sinturon. Palo. Yubo! Ay!
Hello? Hello?
Yubo!
Di ako confident sa ano. Hello? Okay na? Ano gagawin ko dito? Hello? Ow! Download now. Okay now.
Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello. Keep me warm in the love and softly you need. When it's me you need to. Okay lang. Hello.
Covers PH. Hello? Di talaga okay sa akin. Pag nakalipat na kami, ayusin ko yung time. I've been passing time. Lying on the sand.
Sound, check. Nasaan yung high? Parang delay pati siya, no? Sound. Nasaan yung high neto, be? Sound, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Sound check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check. Visit ka. Walang ano to? Up. Yung delta doon. Then yung low, high. Discover mo na lang kami ito. Low, sound. Check. Sound. Ay, samay.
Hello, mic test. Gusto niyong kantahin?
Bakit? Ba't gano'n? Ano nangyari? Wait lang. Hindi ko na talaga magets to. Sorry sa labing eh. Anong dilaw? Anong dilaw? Akala ko kung ano, wait lang, inaayos pa eh. Wait lang. Ganun. Iwan ko siya. Grounded. Wala, hanggang dito, sira. Okay naman siya dati.
Nagamit mo na ba yan nung dumating? O ngayon
Hindi,
pa
I
lang?
mean, yun din yung problema ko sa isa. Your Honor, hindi ko po alam.
Dumating na.
Para makakota tayo. Oh, let's go.
Tumbuhan mo talaga yan, ha? Papasok na kita.
Yan.
Hello? 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 Hello, 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 mic test. Mic test, mic test, mic test. Nababad trip na ako.
Baka may charge ba yung mic mo? Baka anong charge?
Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Hello,
Hindi
mic
pwedeng
test.
dalawang mic dyan, bo. Na? Hindi pwedeng dalawang mic.
Pwede pagka parang umuulan. Hindi ko siya alam.
Ayos mo kay Manel.
Ayaw talaga.
Sira? Ano yung may
Pag
sira?
etong mic ginamit, okay siya. Pero dapat ito hindi siya hawak.
Eh, maganda yan yung bigay natin pati. Ay, hindi sa ano pala?
Ano, sa akin to.
Sa
Ito,
Kumu?
ito, kasama to nito.
Ayun ba yun? Hindi ba yun yung napalalo? Ayun, napalalunan mo sa Kumu. Asan yung mic mo na yun? Maganda.
Dito siya.
Try mo kaya yun.
Hello?
Yung mic na napalalunan mo sa campaign.
Tsaka na pag nakalipat na tayo. Tulungan mo ako mag-set up. Hello? Hello, hello, hello?
Ay! Ay! Ano yung MW?
Mic test, mic test, mic test. Mic test, mic test. Okay dito, okay.
Okay?
And what makes it last? Wishing there would be someone waiting for me. Something's telling me found the place. Something's telling me it might be you. And I'm feeling it will just be you. Hello. Di okay yung buhay. Itong mic lang pala kailangan na. Wait lang. Ay, lyrics wait. Gawin natin tayo. Hi, Tomo. So many quiet. Thank you, WXYZ. Hello. Dreams to make. Hi, Ja. Hi, Arlene. What's up, Arlene? What's up? Double tap na sa mga kapatid, oh. Arlene, double tap na. Hold. Huwag dyan, dito. Nagsastatic na. Hoy, thank you, WXYZ. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Naririnig niyo? Oh, let's go for the sing for the love. Okay na. Ayan. Yes. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you. Through the years. Okay na siya, pero yung boses ko hindi pa. I can't remember what I used to do. Thank you. Who I trusted, whom I'd listened to before. Thank you, Padlock. Thank you, guys. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away, and I'm so glad I've stayed. I'll stay with you. Thank you. Through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belonged right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'll mag-request lang kayo. Pwede natin itong istorbohin. Happy Pride! Thank you, WXYZ. Thank you. Happy birthday. You never love me. You turn my life around. Kasi naman, bakit kasi tinututukan at di wala naman music sa akin? It's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's alright, I'll stay with you through the years. Mag-ano tayo? Ano yun? Pantropiko. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Ate Pix. Thank you. Tignan natin. Hindi ko ito ko masyado kapit. Thank you, Mizuka. Happy Pride. Happy Pride to us. Mag-aalab bini tayo. Let's go. Sayaw ka daw, Bobo. Request nila, oh. 50K, sasayaw to. Sayaw na, dito lang sa likod. Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di inagalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nakakaon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong nanan ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Decide to walk with you on this island. Hindi ko alam to, paano na? Ano ba ito madarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinatama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw masaya, magmula nung nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kupilit na. Feels like someone when I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sumapit na ang araw. Ayoko manghula. Ano ba maganda kantahin? Ayaw sumayaw eh. Ito naman. Dami-daming sayaw. Pwede naman 8-8 lang. Baka may request kayong papakanta kay Bobo. Ganon pwede naman. Kakanta to guys. Hindi ko alam yung dilaw. Ano ba yung dilaw? Delikado na naman. Ay, hindi ko yun alam. Ay, kita mo yung thank you! Namiss namin yan. Thank you, WXYZ. Thank you. Take 2P. May sinasabi si Ate Pink, so. Ano yan? Uwi lang nila? You'll be safe in our romance. It was fading, but I see you craving for more. You're denying it, but you can't control your actions. Keep me guessing, but don't keep me waiting for us. Oh, I live to appreciate. Take all the love that I give. All that I wish is for you to take me. I taste the lies in your
be good to me. Are you obsessed with love? 'Cause I'm tolerating all of your fire. I give you wanting me more, but I'll keep you company. I'm sure it's my love that got you suffocated. To appreciate, take all the love that I give. All that I wish is for you to take me. I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days when they realize, 'cause I only matter when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate. Take all the love that I give. Take all the love that I give. You can move it. Ano? Palagi or ano? The Way I Love You. Ano ba yung The Way I Love You? Sino kumanta? The Way I Love You. Sino kumanta nun? Di ko alam eh. WXYZ pero gusto mo i-play ko for you. What you think? Alam na, babahin ako sa i-display ko. Ah. Team song namin ng part. Sino kumanta? Eto. Wait lang, tingnan natin.
Para may tulong sa
Wait
tiba.
lang. May ads. WXYZ. Baka ikaw alam mo. Pakinggan mo. Ay, alam ko to, pero ano? Ay, sige. Alam ko siya, yun lang yung alam ko, yung I don't know why I know Babalik agad ah. Babalik agad ah. Babay ka na dito. Aalis na siya, guys. Aalis na si Aubrey. Ingat ka ha. Saan ba yung part na alam ko para at least makanta ko pa rin para sa'yo? Busa ang part yun. Yung... Ay, ayun. I told the whole world, top of my lungs, past, present, future, they know you're the one. It doesn't take a time and brain to say that I do. I don't love anyone, no, I don't love anyone. I don't love anyone the way I love you. Ang cute naman ang kanta niyo ng partner mo. Yun lang yung alam ko eh. At least nakanta ko, di ba? Di ba? Oh, let's go. Thank you guys for dropping. Keep on dropping. Come on. Mamaya tayo magbiritan pagka sumisigaw na yung boses ko. Kakagising ko pa lang. was so scared of facing my fears, 'cause nobody told me. Let's go for Dakota. And I swear you moved overseas, 'cause that's what you said when you left me. You still look like a movie, you still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you with this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old and made us so restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. Thank you, WXYZ. Guys, pag kumonto tayo dito, lilipat tayo sa ano? Lilipat tayo. Kasi pantay lang kami din lagi dito ni Bubu for the room. It's hard to win me back. Everything just takes me back to when you were there. To when you were there. And the part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie. Request ko yun ng song. Ano ba gusto niyo? 18K na lang. Let's go, let's go. Thank you, WXYZ. Ingat po. Thank you so much. See you sa next live mo. Palagi. Let's go. Ito to, favorite niyo yan. Oh, ayan na.
Regardons la
Ayan na,
scène.
ayan na. Di mo na araw-araw na nakangiti. Bye! Bye! Ingat! Di mo na araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayo humihindi. Pag napaligiran ng ating mga tapuan, ako ay ba't di natin namamalayan? Ito tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. At sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo. Iyoko palagi. Hello. Balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko papapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Ito tayo sa huli, Wala tayo ng mga dating mga ano. Try natin. Kumbagay ako sa acoustic bar. Especially for you, I wanna let you know what I was going through. All the time you were apart, I thought of you. You were in my heart, love never changed. I still feel the same, especially for you. I wanna let you know I was feeling that way too. And your dreams were wings, you know I would have thought of you to be where you are. No matter how far, I know that I'm next to you. No more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I but say it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is also true, and all the love I have is especially for you, especially for you. I wanna tell you you mean all the world to me. How certain that our love was meant to be. You changed my life. Oh, na 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 na. Hindi ko alam. And now that I'm next to you, I've been long enough to find you. I wanna put all the hurt behind you. All I wanna bring all na 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 na. Now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart, it's oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you, especially for you. Ano to mga nung straight face pa si Pinks. No, love never changed. I know that I'm next to you. No more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I've gotta say it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is also true. All the love I have is especially for you. Lalai. Lalai. Close the door. And all the love I have is especially for you. Huwag na yan. Baka ma-miss ni Ate Pink ex niya. Oo, team song daw nila. Who'd have thought this is how the reasons be? You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. Came this far. Ay, mali yun nabasa ko. Ngayon pa lang pala came this far. I believe with reason, but I don't know what they are. So blame it on my heart. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. always. So hold me close and never ever let me go. Even though when the wind knows which way the river flows, it's not the way love goes. No, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising how love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days. Still, it's a mystery of how your love came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Drop tayo, drop, 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 drop. Why is that so look in your eyes? Why are you crying? Tell me now, tell me now, tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, oh baby. Is it your heart? Oh, that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I could do? Why don't you tell me where it hurts? No, baby. And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears all go away. So tell me where it hurts. Now tell me. And I love you when it love's so tender. Oh, and if you let me stay, I love all of your heart away. Where are all those tears coming from? Why are you crying? Somebody, somebody, somebody left your heart in the cold. You just need somebody to hold on, baby. Give me a chance to put back all the pieces together. Make it just like new. There's so many things that I could do. Why don't you tell me where it hurts? No, baby. And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears all go away. Just tell me where it hurts. Now tell me. And I'll do my best to make it better. Mali lyrics ko. And if you let me stay, I love all of your heart away. Drop tayo, guys. Papakatay natin si Bubu. Let's go. Kakanta tayo. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I see. And the day I said I'm done in the middle of the night when you're fast asleep on love. Telling myself like yes, man, I love. So many times I was certain that the wrong that I said, oh, baby, I'm just ready to get my kasi dyan yung hawak. I don't see what I do wrong, but you can see that, as you can see, I have potential. You know. back. Each and every time I love at you, like staring right at you. So lost or was every time I disappoint you, just 'cause you can't believe it's just so beautiful. It's like a statue, don't wanna lose you. No, it's like my style, with me. After all this, I put you through. Now you're living in that you, but baby, you love. Make me come around. What is the reason when you really could have anyone you want? I don't see what I have to offer. It should have been a season, 'cause you can see I have potential. Do you know you're my miracle? Unlike statues, like staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks. Take me back each and every time I love. It's like staring right at you. Disappoint you and believe it's so beautiful. It's that you don't lose you now. It's that you beautiful. It's that you don't lose you now. All my life I take my lucky star. Girl, we had spent extra time. With no explanation and some equation, like you love me more than I love myself. I'm like a statue. Wait, ito. You walk into the room and now my heart's been stolen. You took me back in time to when I was broken. You were all I want, and I knew it from the very first moment. So the light came on, and I heard that song. I want you to sing it again. I swear that every word you say, you wrote down for me. Like it was a private show, but I know you never saw me. When the lights come on and I'm on my own, you'll be there to sing it again. Could I be the one you talk about in all your stories? Guys, bago na natin para for the lipat tayo. Mas maganda dun. I heard there was someone I know he don't deserve you. If you were mine, I'd never let anyone hurt you. No, no. Wanna dry those tears, kiss those lips. It's all I've been thinking about. 'Cause the light came on when I heard that song, and I want you to sing it again. I swear that every it again. Oh, can I be here? I swear that every word you say, you wrote them for me. Thank you, Heidi. Like it was a private show. I know you never saw me. When the lights come on and I'm on my own, will you be there? Will you be there? I'll be the one you talk about in all your stories. Can I be him? Can I be him? Let's go to 100K. Can I be him? Umubo. Ang lakas ng... Thank you for dropping the 8. Oh. Lahat ng pagmamahal at oras na aking binigay, parang di mo basin. Ang sama ko sa'yo paningin. Oh, diba nakakakimuki kimon at ako iniwan mo. Oh, diba pinagmukha mo kong tinga, tayo'y lumilipad at ako iniwan mo. Na may dudang nasa iyong isip, inalalim mo pa ang sugat dito sa aking dibdib. Oh, diba nakakapukimot ka, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Oh, diba pinagmukha mo kong tinga, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. At ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. Oh, at ako'y iniwan mo. Tatlong mundong walang tayo. 3 bilyon, ikaw lamang ang aking gusto. Pasensya na't ngayon iko'y para sa'yo. Tayo ay pupunta na sa ating bagong yugto. Ayokong mabuhay sa isang mundong walang tayo, diba? Nakakausap ka lang. Tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Diba, diba, diba? Pinagmukha mong tinga. Tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo sa at ako'y iniwan mo sa oh, at ako'y iniwan mo, diba? Nakakapusang ka lang. Tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo, diba? Ginawa mo pa akong tinga. Tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Galing talaga nito. Gusto niyo yung mga ganyang genre? Ano pa ba yung mga ganyang ano? Antong kabayo, natatawa ako. Iisip ko kasi, wait lang. Ano na yun? $200K na tayo, let's go. 200K na tayo para makalipat na tayo sa ano, sa Kabilar. Magbuwan ka daw ng version mo. Nalimutan ko na yun.
Cover speech.
Gana tayo mga parang pambana. So, para sa mga naka-move on na, let's go. Ito ka, ikaw ang source of energy ko. Ganyan, mais nga. Ang lahat ay nagbabago. Ganun din ang puso ko. Di alam kung paano aamin. Kung dapat ba sabihin ito. Ngunit kailangan ng tabangan at sabihin ang nararapat na hindi na nga. Hindi na nga. Alam kong mali na. Pero di ko kayang bumitaw at ika'y nasasaktan dahil kung ako po'y walang iwanan. Alam kong huli na. Alam kong hindi na nga mahal. may kulang. Natatakot na malaman, natatakot ang iyong husgahan. O hindi na nga, hindi na nga. Alam kong mali na, pero di ko kayang bumitaw at ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. Alam kong mali na, alam kong hindi na nga mahal. Ay, di ba? Tampal mo yan. Instrumental. Alam kong mali na, 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 pero di ko kayang bumitaw at ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. Alam kong huli na, alam kong hindi na nga mahal. Hindi na nga mahal. Hindi ka na mahal. Ang lahat ay nababago, ganon din ang puso ko.
Yes, thank you so much. That's Hindi na nga by this band. Thank you for the halo-halo party. Thank you. Thank you, Agnes.
Araw kahit namisan nating buhay, puno ng saya at ng kulay, di mauulit ulit. Ang oras kapag hinayaang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli. Ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan, kung pwede lang ayusin natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo mababawi muli. Di na muli at natapos ang himas ng sandali. Di kukuli aking tinig ng lumipas na di alam na sabi. Salamat hanggang sa huli. Oh, ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan. Kung pwede lang bawasan natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo ba nararanasan? Kahapon sana natin di mo na pinahirapan. Patawad muli, di na uli binawi ang buhay mo nang walang sabi. Binubulong ko sa sarili, mahal kita hanggang sa huli. Mahal ko hanggang sa huli. Oh, mahal ko hanggang sa huli. Mahal ko hanggang sa huli. Mahal ko hanggang sa huli. Tapos na. Thank you, thank you. Thank you! Ayan, happy 200k. Lipat tayo guys sa TikTok. Tayo ay mag-live yelling. Let's go. Lipat na tayo guys, lipat tayo. Pa-update na lang yung mga nandito, yung mga English spoken. Let's go to the other app. Bye guys, thank you. Happy Kata, thank you, thank you. See you, see you, see you. Let's go, lalive agad ako. See you guys, bye. Thank you, hi, see you, see you, see you, see you guys. Bye guys, thank you. Let's go, lipat na.